Really? Yeah. God damn. Oh shit.
Alrighty. Today we're about to meet up with a friend. He just finished his built motor. He's on a Borg S257SXE. Right now he's at like 34 PSI. And we're gonna finish the tune on the dyno, see how much she makes. Should be fun. All right, we got Andrew.
So this here makes it's a good car. Makes power. Lots of spoolie noises.
Ah, yes. All right, so what do you got done to the motor, like build-wise?
I built the motor myself after several trial and errors with previous motors. It's got a Borg Warner S257 4 sport exhaust manifold. You know, all the bolt-ons, wastegate, PI, return system, and ST manifold, under-route piping. What else? The valve train is upgraded so it can rev higher than 8. 4-inch intake. Yeah.
What fuel pump do you have in it?
Hellcat fuel pump.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
And what PSI are you at right now?
The last log I hit 36 or 37 PSI, so.
Alrighty.
The tires in 3rd and 4th, just garbage, so.
What do you want? Are you on the Federal?
No, these are, so the fronts are Firehawk Indies.
Oh, the Indy 500s?
Indy 500s, 255, 35.
Okay, cool.
So.
Suspension?
Suspension, we've got Fortunato, just their standard coilovers, 9K in the front, 11K in the rear.
Nice.
So, it rides nice for sure.
Nice. What are you hoping to put down today?
Dude, I'll be happy with like 560.
I think that's a good number.
Yeah.
I think that's like perfect for like street ability.
Yeah. I mean, it's running an E48 blend, so.
Okay, yeah. You turn with Will, right?
Will, Purple Drank, Captain KR. If you know him from the old forums. He's been tuning I've owned this car since 2012. He's been tuning all the setups I've had.
Nice.
S4, turbo, methanol, stock block, KO4.
Sweet.
So.
This is gonna be sick. You ready?
Yeah, I'm fucking nervous. I feel great though. Yeah. I feel like I just took a massive dump, you know, and I'm just clarity.
First drive. Ready?
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Yeah, it's doing that thing.
That was 32.
Really?
Yeah. God damn. Oh shit. Oil pressure.
Oh no.
Well, I think the car turned off.
Oh.
Yeah. Why did it do that?
Is it still off? It's
It's just coasting right now.
oh. Put your hazards on.
Let's see what happened.
I've had that happen to me before, but I don't know what caused it. It's never happened again.
Here, let's pull up here.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah, try and start it. Yeah.
Testing.
That was weird.
System ready.
I've had that happen to me before, but it's only once. I was doing a pull, I did like 2 to 3, and then
We got oil
just
pressure.
stopped.
What the fuck?
don't
That
know.
was weird.
Yeah, I don't know. Run it again. No.